This is our health guide with current trend.
Cloves are very medicinal.
If you do like it, and also comment down below. Today, I want to guiding you about your own health, but make sure that you do this one before you go to sleep or early morning, and then see what will really happen to you. But if in case you're new here on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you do like it, and also comment down below. Today we are back again, and how the way you can do it, how the way you can make it when you at home. Drink 1 cup every morning or early morning, and then see what will really happen to you. Do you know that what 1 cup we are talking about? Today we are talking about the cloves. Cloves has a lot of vitamin and a lot of mineral, especially vitamin C and vitamin K. Cloves is very powerful for your health. If in case you are a woman and you are a man, if you want to know exactly how the way cloves will working for you and how many cloves will helping you, keep watching this entire video, and then I will telling you how the way you can using the cloves for your own benefits. Keep watching, and then I'll telling you. So let's driving in today's video. Number 1, make sure that you're having a cloves. You can using a cloves powder, or you can using a whole cloves. It depending on you which kind of cloves that you're having out there, but make sure that you're having a cloves. Number 2, make sure that you're having a water, and we need to having a clean water. According to the mineral inside to the water will helping you. When you're combining together 2 ingredients, water and cloves, trust me, you will get the benefit from it. So how the way you can take it and how the way you can use it, you need to measure the size of cloves and the size of water. For the size of cloves, I want everybody to measure just 10 whole cloves for those people who are using the whole cloves. But if in case you're using the cloves powder, then you need to having a half teaspoon if you're using a half liter of water. But if you're using a 1 liter of water, using 1 teaspoon of cloves powder, and then adding to the water, and after you adding to the water will be like this. And then after that, taking the water and boiling the water just for a couple minutes. When I'm talking about the couple minutes, I'm talking about it depending on your stove. It depending on the size of your stove is. And then after you boiling it, and after you're thinking the water is already boiling, removing the water from your cooker. And after you're removing the water from the cooker, then the water is ready to use. Who can using this one? This can using everybody. 1 cup every morning and 1 cup early morning will really helping you. First of all, will really help